This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this absolutely impeccable 2020 Tiara Yachts 49 Coupe. This boat is in Mercedes Silver with a ink black boot stripe, all custom painted. The boat is big time optioned, including what you see hanging off the bow there, which is forward shore power. Got a high-end FLIR with color camera or thermal imaging. Massive opening hull windows, large deck walkways, high capacity power swim platform back here. This boat was optioned with the Tiara custom dinghy chock systems. So these plugs pull out and there's a chock that just drops into each. The weight of the tender strapped down holds it in place. 49 Coupes have a sink, power hookups. This boat was optioned with both the fresh and raw water washdowns. And then you've got a quick access for the trunk for a line, or it's a massive trunk down there, and there is a power actuated lift as well. This boat was optioned with the grill and refrigerator underneath. Moving to port, there's a shower, hot and cold shower. The flooring was upgraded after purchase, including opening access for the engine room, which I'll show you last. The boat is really in an incredible shape. I sold this boat brand new to the first owner, who owned it for one season, and this owner then purchased it and has owned it since, and again done a wonderful job of maintaining the boat. There's LED lights in the cup holders, under rail LED blue lights. There is a power sunshade as well, and this optional cockpit TV with dedicated storage, as well as the optional cockpit joystick. There's that sunshade. There's connection points here that connect down to the transom of the boat to give it support for high winds. Forward, again, large walkways, 2.5 widths of feet, so easy to access. Again, these large opening windows. You have 2-position adjustment backrest, forward facing, nice Corian backed cup holders and trays for keeping all of your valuables. And in the bow, camera, you got your custom Tiara radar arch, the radar and the optional track vision TV. That's your DPS and Lomax antenna, and then one VHF antenna, and the other is actually just used as a stereo to balance the boat instead of having a single antenna off one side. This table is on a high-low, so it can go up to dinette height like it is now, or be lowered down into coffee cocktail table height. You have an optional wine fridge in here. My favorite quartz that Tiara offered was this year, and this particular quartz I personally find it to be perfect. I love the floating countertops that they put here with the teak accents, the darks, the lights, the whites, and it's just a really, really high-end kind of plush finish. Tons of storage topside, refrigerator, freezer, optional ice maker, microwave, convection oven, or sink, 2-burner cooktop, tons of storage again, drawers everywhere. This is a nice quick access for your batteries. So you do have power panel under this seat, but normally you're going to leave all of your DC systems that you use on, then you're just going to flip The batteries, when you come on or off the boat, you've got your generator controls and easy automatic switching from generator to shore power. You have your monitoring systems too for shore inlet and the DC battery voltage. You have a cockpit or salon, rather, TV on the starboard side here, which is power actuated as well. Large STID helm seat. It's about a three-person seat, well over the average two-person width. This boat was optioned with the FLIR, of course, as I've mentioned twice. But the swim platform, backup camera came standard, and then there is a optional, let's see if I find it, engine room camera included in this boat. The table built on Korean backer for the support, so no slides where you get a guest that comes and opens this up without pushing the support out and ends up damaging your table. Movable cup holders, accent lights interior. There's the TV in the up position. And again, this absolutely massive sunroof with the large salon doors, the big sunroof, larger opening hull windows or side windows, salon windows than I've seen on any other boat in this class. Really merges interior to exterior. Does a wonderful job of day boating and a even better job at cruising or long trips. Large steps to the lower atrium. This boat was optioned with this bulkhead door for privacy. If you do have guests or if you're using it as a storage or pantry for longer trips, you'll see in the photos this backrest flips up to be bunk beds. Wonderful height. VIP stateroom, massive hall windows, just under 6.5 foot head height in here, and huge storage as well as a drawer underneath. You have a hanging locker, then the VIP/guest head with a very large shower that is well over 6.5 feet of head height. Storage behind both the mirrors, storage under the sink, Korean around the toilet, tiled backsplash, Korean kick plates entering the showers, Korean inside the showers with teak floor and teak seating area. And then into one of my favorite masters on a 50-foot boat. Tons of storage under the seating area, massive hanging locker, drawer, washer dryer combo unit, 5 drawers over on the side, drawers under the nightstands, both port and starboard. This TV, power actuated, be out of the way when not in use, or powered over for when laying in bed watching TV. Got another drawer right here. Here's that washer dryer unit, storage, and then a incredibly well appointed master head. Again, storage, tiled backsplash, Korean full wrap behind with teak accents. Again, the Korean kick plate, which is one of the wear areas. And this shower is absolutely massive as well. I don't know if you can see over the head height. I'm 6 foot. I've got another 6-7 inches overhead. Last but not least, we will take a quick peek in the engine room. very well laid out engine room, very clean engine room on this particular boat. You have full access to additional breakers, panels, the automatic battery switches, Cummins Onan generator, Seakeeper 9, the Volvo IPS 800s with just over 360 hours by the time it hits storage. But as you can see, the engine room, the mechanical spaces, the bilges are all in the same condition as what you see on the interior and exterior of the boat. Nice little blue LED accent lights here under the F seating that merge well with the under rail lights. Cup holder lights. Again, an absolutely incredible version of this Tiara 49 Coupe. Again, my name is Brett Mooney. You can call me anytime for more information to schedule a FaceTime tour or a in-person tour. Boat is currently in Chicago and being moved over to our showroom in Grand Haven for winter storage, if not sold prior in the next couple weeks.